Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start with simple steps you can complete in 5 minutes. Open File Explorer and clear Quick Access history to remove heavy recent lists. Unpin folders from Quick Access that update frequently and cause refreshes. Disable thumbnail previews in folder options to reduce CPU and disk use during navigation. Turn off the preview pane and details pane to stop live file rendering. When Explorer stalls, open Task Manager and restart Explorer to reset its memory and threads. Rebuild the Windows search index when search or folder view is slow. Open indexing options and choose Rebuild to recreate the index and remove corruption. Exclude large folders such as downloads and external drives to reduce indexing overhead. Disable search indexing on network locations that slow queries and folder loads. Remove suspicious third-party shell extensions because they can block Explorer during context menu creation. Use a reputable shell extension manager to disable handlers, and then test Explorer responsiveness. Repair system files when Explorer performance remains problematic after tweaks. Run SFC and then dism from an elevated prompt to fix corrupted Windows components. Update display and storage drivers from the device manufacturer to resolve I/O and GPU-related delays. Check installed RAM and storage type. Consider 8 GB minimum and an SSD for fast directory reads. Reset File Explorer settings by deleting the icon cache and thumbs database to
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.